the earth for me. If you can find a way around, lovely. Brilliant. Fire triangle again. Oxygen plus heat, and there's a little bit of fuel, a little bit of paper in the bottom there. See what happens.
So what we can do is we can just put a bit of liquid hydrogen in here, and then we can play a lovely tune. So let's see what combustion looks like.
Should we have a countdown from 3? Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go!
The final reaction today. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1.
So basically we've got these are little coding bots. So they'll read these tiles that we place on the track. So it's to give them an idea of how they're controlling, obviously linking in with network rail. It could be a train. So it's how to respond to incidents, and what would you do with that train? Would you divert it? Would you stop it? Would you get it to reverse? And it just highlights what the potential issues we could have as well as having a bit of fun.
My name's John Wright, and what we're doing here is we're making ballistic sweet cannons out of an old coffee cup and a balloon, and we use these to project two different types of sweets through a chronograph or a time gate, and the jelly baby, which weighs about 5 grams, and a marshmallow that weighs about half a gram. And what the students find is that although they think the jelly baby will be much better and go much faster, it doesn't. Jelly babies tend to go slower, whereas the marshmallows go much faster, but because there's no weight to them, there's nothing at the other end. So if you're designing something that you actually want to shoot, or a rocket or something like that, you've got to think about your weight and everything else, as well as your maximum velocity.
Hi, so Luke Petch here from Leonardo. We've brought our Rampaging Chariots activity along. It's a cut down version of what we run with local schools in our sort of community around our sites. So we're just here today promoting STEM in general and the sort of things that we do with local schools.
We have had an amazing time at the STEM event at RAF Cosford. We have done sweet catapulters, paper aeroplanes, and we made asteroid destroyers to pop balloons.